Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve this when 12 plus 5 is equals to 42, 19 plus 6 is equals to 61, 27 plus 8 is equals to 99. So what is the value of 29 plus 9? So let's start with the today's video. Now, so in normalized 12 plus 5 is 17. And 19 plus 6 is 25. 27 plus 8 is 35. And 29 plus 9 is 38. But here is 42 written. So how can we reach at 42? With the help of 17. So we are going to take the second digit and we do the square. So 5 square is 25. So now 17 plus 25 is 42. Similarly, 6 square is 36. So 25 plus 36 is 61. Now 8 square is 64. So 35 plus 64 is 99. So 9 square is 81. So 38 plus 81 is 119. I hope it's clear. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.